Next one is, which of the followings are AP? If they form AP, find the common difference D and write 3 more terms. So they given what series or APs, we have to check whether it forms the AP or not. If they form a AP, then we have to find out common difference D and write 3 more terms. So how to check the given AP will form the AP, the given series will form the AP. It's very easy. Just we have to find out the common difference D. If the D is fixed, that means D is common, then it will form the AP. If D is not common, it will not form the AP. Okay. So just to find out the D. Subtract the first term 2 from second term. The 4 minus 2 will get 2. Similarly, subtract the 4 from 8. 8 minus 4 is 4. So now subtract the 8 from 16. 16 minus 8 is 8. See here, D is not constant. That means D is not fixed. So that this will not form the AP. Right at last, this will not form the AP. So that it will not necessary to find out the common difference D and 3 more terms. Okay. See second problem here. Here also you find out the you have to find out the common difference. Okay, first that is D is equal to subtract the second term from first term from second term. When subtract this number, here 2 by 2 over 1. First you have to find out the LCM. The LCM of 2 and 1 is 2. So here 5 by 2 into LCM, 2 cancel, we get 5. And here 2 by 1 into LCM 2, 2 2s are 4. So 5 minus 4 is 1 by 2. So second one is D is equal to subtract the second term from third term. So here also 3 over 1. So the LCM of 2 and 1 is 2. So this is 3 by 1. This is 3. Remember, this is 3. So 3 into 2 is 6. Minus 5 by 2 into LCM. The 2 is cancelled. So 5. So 6 minus 5 is 1 by 2. So see here, the common difference D is same. Okay. The common difference D is same. Now we have to find out, we have to write 3 more terms, because already it will form the AP because common difference D is fixed. So that means we already found out the common difference D. Now we have to write the 3 more terms. How to find out 3 more terms? It's very easy. The fourth term is 7 by 2. Okay, we can write it as A4. You can also write it as A4. Remember that in the general form I see, here I'll see A plus D, A plus 2D. This can also write it as A1, A2, A3, A4, A5. So that this is the first term is A1, the second term is A2, fourth term is A3, third term is A3, fourth term is A4. So here A4 is 7 by 2. Just adding common difference to this number. Very simple. When adding these two numbers, we get what? 8 by 2. 2 1s are 2 4s are. So we get 4. Okay. Next, fifth term. So this is A4. That means this is fifth term. This is sixth term. Remember that this is fifth term. Now we now here find out what? Fifth term. Okay. So this is A6. A5 is 4. Now find out the A6. How to find out? Just A5 is 4. Okay. Plus adding common difference D. So here 4 by 1. Find out LCM. LCM is 2. And 4 2s are 8. 8 plus 1. We get 9 by 2. Okay. Next one is A7. How to find out A7? So here A6 is 9 by 2 plus half. Okay. So half means this is the common difference. Remember. So here 2 plus 10, do 10 by 2, 2 ones are 2 5s. The 3 more terms are 4, 9 by 2, 5. Remember, 4, 9 by 2, 5. How to find out? It's very easy. First we have to find out common difference. If the common difference is constant, then we will find out 3 more terms. How to find out? Just adding the common difference to this 4th term. Okay. When finding 5th term, we just adding the common difference to the 5th term. Similarly, when you find out the 6th term, just adding common difference to the 6th term, we get 7th term. Okay.